Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, this the NEWZBEAT presented to you by ladies like and J. Santino. Follow the beat from the studio to the street. Info with the flow keeps you sharp and in the know. Sit back, relax, enjoy the news. Follow. Actually, we celebrate today one very important holiday. Let me from all of us wish you a Merry Christmas.
So Slike, what's the proggy for Christmas time?
I'm heading back to the village to dance and dine. Don't stick around here, no one will be in Kampala. I'm sure it's the same with every city in Africa.
True, most people head out of town, but you should know that's not all that goes down. Christmas is in July in Egypt and Ethiopia, as the Coptic Christians they use the Julian calendar. And even though Senegal is mostly Muslim, they still string decoration for the season.
Wow, I suppose they even celebrate Kwanzaa.
Actually, that's the African Americans, not Africa.
Well, at least I know we don't focus on gifts unless it's Christmas clothes with a perfect fit.
Yep, and we're so show more in the community. In Southern Africa, Christmas is a barbecue opportunity. While most of the world is roasting turkey, Africans might roast every meat as long as it is tasty.
But for sure, most Africans go to church on Christmas.
Yes, whether it's late service or early mass, and no service can survive without singing young and old together caroling.
Still, Gambia takes it to another level. They parade with lanterns lit with candles.
I would love to see that. Too bad I will be home.
Me too. I look forward to it all year long. What's the point with hustling 12 months in the city if we can't December chill in the village with family?
To the world, the Lord is come.
Oh wow! When I hear all those Christmas songs, it really makes me long for the holidays.
It's true, Ugandans love celebrating the birth of Jesus, but we don't know how this Christian feast reached us.
Yes, I do. It all started with European missionaries who arrived in Uganda on their African itinerary in 1875. Kabaka Mutesa I of Uganda sent them an invite. He seemed quite the socialite. The man who paved the way was Henry Morton Stanley, looking for the source of the Nile in Africa. He ended up in the Kabaka's palace in Rubaga and agreed with Mutesa to educate the people of Uganda. 2 years later, the first missionaries arrived from the Church Missionary Society. They took their mission seriously in Mukono and Namirembe. They built schools, churches, hospitals, and a university. And interestingly, they established the Native Anglican Church, which educated 3 pioneers who had to pass on their peers in Rwanda, Congo, and Burundi what they learned about Christianity. The French Catholics also joined the party and were also welcome at Mutesa's residence. Mutesa gave the White Fathers Rubaga Hill as main office and moved to Kasubi with his palace. While Mutesa passed away, his son Mwanga succeeded him, and a group of young Catholics rebelled against him. Mwanga burnt them alive at Namugongo, but Catholicism did not go. Another mission came from England called Mill Hill. Mwanga gave them Zambia Hill. Throughout the 20th century, the Christian religion spread over Africa. Up till today, it has a big influence in Uganda, and that's how we came to celebrate Christmas up till this date.
I think it's time now we prepare the food and share with the ones for whom we care.
Well, that sounds good. Merry Christmas, girls and boys. Hope you all enjoy. I'm MC Jala reporting for NEWZBEAT.
On the 28th of August this year, a ban on plastic carrier bags came into effect in Kenya as it joined other countries like Rwanda, Cameroon, Bangladesh and Tanzania in implementing a total ban on plastic bags being processed for consumption. Manufacturers who use polythene to wrap products were the only exception. Kenya's new law was called the world's toughest law against plastic bags in these times, as anyone found selling, manufacturing or carrying plastic bags would face 4 years in jail for the crimes or pay up to 4 million Kenyan shillings in fines. However, 3 months after the ban, the new law has proved to be ineffective as plastic bag manufacturers and traders continue to defy the directive. 20 plastic bag manufacturers are still operating illegally in Nairobi according to the sources and have intensified their illegal activities other than count their losses to capitalize the lucrative market within and beyond the Kenyan borders. As before the ban, Kenya was one of the East African region's major plastic bag exporters, and about 100 million plastic bags are used each year by the Kenyan shoppers. However, the plastic bags' negative effects have been on the rise in Kenya in recent years, with plastic bags being routinely removed from the stomachs of livestock in Nairobi abattoirs. And although Kenya's Association of Manufacturers is concerned that 60,000 jobs will be lost because of the ban and 176 manufacturers will be forced to shut down, the Kenyan government insists its decision was based on environmental concerns other than commercial interests and how much money it could lose or earn.
Shepo Ricky Cositao is a transgender woman and a citizen of Botswana, a conservative nation. She just won a legal case against the government to be identified as a female on all her documents. How did it happen? Where did it all start? Well, Shepo took the government to court after they refused to change the gender on her ID. She came with a case defending her identity, saying her male ID caused emotional distress and made her vulnerable to abuse and violence. Plus, there was more evidence. Her doctor said it was evident that Shepo always felt female. Even her family didn't see her as male. So Justice Retail Dambe ordered the registry to change the ID to a female gender identity. This was considered a great victory for Botswana's LGBT community. The ruling was made possible by a decision to let LGBT groups lobby for legislation. In 2014, this gave them the power to act, though it's still illegal to engage in homosexual acts. That was the news on the beat. Next week will be another hit. Still ladies like I'm Jay Sentino, reporting live and direct with love and respect. Follow the beat, follow the beat, follow the beat, follow the beat.
Yes, and a Merry Christmas.
Follow the beat, follow the beat, follow the beat, follow the beat.
Yes, and a Merry Christmas.